Hey guys, what's crackin'? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. If you are new here, so hi. Today, I have decided to add more decorations to my room, and I know what you might be thinking. Where are you adding more decorations into your room? It already is probably decorated as it can be. Well, that's where you'd be wrong. I actually have an empty space around my door and above my window, and I decided to decorate them because I was sitting at my desk and I thought to myself, you know, my room could use more decoration. As I always do. So my first idea was to actually put film Polaroids around my door. They're basically these little film Polaroids, and they have a still image from the movie or the TV show. It gives you the name, the year that it was made, like the stars, who it was written by, etc., etc. So I printed out about 20 of these, actually exactly 20 of these, from Walgreens. The second thing that I wanted to do was hang Minecraft bees from my ceiling in front of my window, which I thought was super cute. I saw it on TikTok. I'll leave their @ in the description and, you know, right here so that you can see. So cue voiceover Maddie to show you guys how I got started with that. Alright, so step one is open my favorite social media app of all time, Pinterest. If you're new here, that is something you're going to need to get used to because it is my favorite social media app of all time. You're going to look for film Polaroids, and once you find one that you like, you're going to make sure that it's white all the way around and then hit the 3 dots in the corner and hit download image. Once you do that, you're going to go to walgreens.com and their photo prints. I hit upload photos, my computer, and then I clicked and dragged from my downloads into the box. Then I just proceeded with my checkout and then got my order. It was as simple as that. Alright, so this is the empty space in question. As you can see, it's completely blank. My door is not shut, now it is. So now that I have these little film Polaroids, I'm going to put them up. But I will be using Scotch tape. I don't recommend this. I would recommend using painter's tape or that like gooey stuff, but I don't own any of that and I'm impatient, so I'm using Scotch tape. And because it's I printed it on the glossy paper, it has a little bit more like stiffness to it, so I'm not so worried about it like drooping or falling over like paper does. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. Does that look straight? Sure. Up there we've got End of the Effing World, which is a TV show on Netflix. Very good. 2 seasons of it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Parent Trap. I'm definitely gonna get a comment, at least one comment that's like, they're uneven, fix them. And it's probably gonna be from one of my friends. Bohemian Rhapsody. Very good movie. If you haven't seen it, what are you doing with your life? It's so good. My Girl from 1991. Stranger Things. If you don't know what Stranger Things is, you are in fact living under a rock. It's looking interesting, but I'm gonna trust the process, okay? We're trusting the process. Euphoria. Dunkirk. The only reason I watched this movie was for Harry Styles, and that's a guarantee. I'm very excited for his new movie coming out with Florence Pugh. 2 of my favorite people on earth. All right, we got Mamma Mia, Here We Go Again. Such a good soundtrack. ABBA, incredible, amazing. Oh, see? That one is more white. Don't take that out of context. Midsummer, Cinderella, boom, bada bing, bada boom. Lady Bird, I love Lady Bird so much. If you didn't know, I love Lady Bird. Have I mentioned that? I Am Not Okay With This, another amazing Netflix show. Oh my gosh. Beautiful Boy with Steve Carell and Timothée Chalamet. I watched that movie on a plane, and I didn't know what it was about, but I love Timothée Chalamet, and so I was like, oh, this was a movie I hadn't seen of his, and it was a while ago. It was probably over a year ago because I haven't been on a plane since before Rona, but yeah, oh my god, such a good movie. I was bawling by the end of it. Little Women. I love all of the actresses and actors that were in it. Amazing casting. I mean, come on. Timothée Chalamet, Florence Pugh, Saoirse Ronan, Emma Watson, like, the last one is La La Land. And if you know me, you know La La Land has a special place in my heart. I have a poster of it right here. I love La La Land. I probably would say it's one of my all-time favorite movies. It was my favorite movie before I saw Lady Bird. So that's gonna be all right there. I know it kind of looks uneven, but... Okay, I literally look red and disgusting right now, but it is about 5 seconds after I just made that intro, and I found 4 more of the film Polaroids in my thing. I was about to throw it away and I found 4 more of them. So, Ferris Bueller's Day Off, Call Me By Your Name, Dirty Dancing, and The Truman Show, which are all very good movies and I highly recommend. So, this is what it looks like now, and I like it a lot more than I did before. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that. Alright, hello and welcome to my desk. Today we're going to be making Minecraft bees. Now I know you might be thinking, how are you making Minecraft bees? Well, cue to voiceover Maddie to show you how I did that. This time you're going to open up your preferred browser, mine is Ecosia because it saves trees, and you're going to look up Minecraft Bee Foldable. I clicked on images and it was actually the first one there. It just looks like a regular old piece of paper with a printable on it. Once you do that, I right-clicked it and then I hit download image, and again you're going to want to make sure you save it as a PNG, not in all files, or else this won't work. Once you do that, you're going to want to open a new Google Slides. I deleted my text boxes and then went to File, and then you're going to go all the way down to Page Setup, and then once you do that, you're going to click on the menu and then hit Custom, and then you're going to type in the dimensions 8.5 by 11 because that's actually the standard letter sized paper. Obviously if you're printing it on that size paper, that's what you're going to want to use. And then I just clicked and dragged once again from my downloads onto the paper, adjusted it how I wanted it, and then printed it. Easy as that. Alright, back to me. Thank you, voiceover Maddie. Let's talk about the materials that you will be needing. You will be needing the bee printables that I literally just showed you how to get. You'll be needing a pair of scissors, preferably smaller than this, but this is the only size that I have. A glue stick, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6, just in case you run out. You're also going to be needing string or wire, obviously that's optional, to whatever you need. You're also going to be needing a pin of some sort to poke through the wings to make sure you can get your string or wire through. So, first things first is you're going to want to cut these out. I'm going to finish cutting these out and then I'll be back to show you guys how to fold and cut them. Okay, I made the first little bee. I know I didn't show it, but my camera died basically and I had to recharge the battery and I wasn't going to waste a ton of time. But this is the first little guy. I just made like the box shape of it. So now I need to do the wings, but I am a little bit confused. Oh, that's probably what you're supposed to do. I wish I had like a, what are those things? X-Acto knife, but alas, I do not own an X-Acto knife. So I'm just gonna put glue down. So basically, I don't really know what I was talking about here, but it was something to the effect of that it was really hard to fold and glue all of these, and because they're so small, it kind of gets hard and tedious to a point, so I only made 4 of them. So right here is where I show you guys how to string the bees. So basically you poke a hole in the 2 wings and then you string either your thread or your wire through those little holes that you made with the pins. It's pretty self-explanatory, and yeah, I don't know why I went so into depth on it, but basically you just string the string through the wings, and that's that. So then right here is where I talked about how I actually hung them up. I wrapped the wires around some thumbtacks and I just tacked them into the ceiling, and they stayed and they look super cute, and I think because of the wire it makes them look more like bouncy, like they're actually floating in the air. But yeah, and then I just did the outro, so thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.